So there's birds feeding area. You can stand there and feed the birds. So you just stand there and you feed the birds. It's a nice place to feed the birds. And we see all birds there. Oh, they're waiting for someone to feed them bread, and we already fed them. So I'm just relaxing and watching other people feed the birds. And there's a barrier so that they don't overwhelm you or attack you or something. And let's see those. Some are flying birds. See those birds. Flying birds, swimming birds, all kind of birds. Wow. Wow. A lot to see, a lot to capture. Very beautiful birds swimming. But on the river or lake, I don't know. Nice. Swimming birds.